It's just not fun for me.
Yeah, but you love it.
That doesn't make it fun.
This shit is not fun for you, cousin. What the fuck is fun for you?
Can you not handle this? Is it too much for you? Answer me.
I can handle it.
I can handle it, Chef.
I can handle it, Chef.
You're terrible at this. You're no good at it. Go faster, motherfucker. Keep going faster. Why are you so slow? Why are you so fucking slow? Why? You think you're so tough? Yeah. Why don't you say this? Say, yes, Chef. I'm so tough.
Yes, Chef, I'm so tough.
Say fucking yes, Chef. I'm so tough.
Yes, Chef, I'm so tough.
You are not tough. You are bullshit. You are talentless. Say fucking hands.
Hands!
I have to remind myself to breathe sometimes. I can do this, you know? Yeah. I have to remind myself to be present, you know?